So right here, I'm gonna tap it to the subwoofer output, which is gonna be gray brown is positive and gray tan is negative. You can see it's in this gray plug. It would be plug 22 pin plug, pin 4 and 15. That's coil 1. There you can plug a coil 2, but coil 1 is all you need. And this is a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, if you got a 2020 with an Alpine system, if you're gonna install an amplifier, you would want to remove the mic, not the mic. This is a mic for Bluetooth, this is a mic for ANC. So it's coming like this. You literally can pull this thing down a bit more, and then there's a clip in there. You press a small little clip and pull it out, the same as that one right there. Now the hardest part right there, I would say, we're coming back over here. Here is the hardest part. So we got this out, and then we pry this out, and then I'll be able to reach my hand over here. The clip is going to be right there where you disconnect right here. Push the clip and pull it out right here. That one was hard right there. So I'm going to tell you where the clip's gonna be at. Now if you just yank it out, that's different, but if you want to try to remove it the right way, this thing is right here, right there. So you're gonna remove this. Now this is, when you put it back, it's not this thing needs a little bit clean. When you put it back, it's not 100%. So it was right there that I had to take it out. It's not over here. I tried to slide my hand in there, it didn't work. You know, I don't have the big of a hand. Oh, yeah, it worked right there. You see all that scratch mark and everything in my hand. But yep, it's over here.